Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Aquarius air sign for the month of November, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your message. Aquarius. Your first card. Wow, Ace of Wands. And Ten of Cups. The Magician. Wow, very good start for you, Aquarius. After a long time I am seeing, yeah, some passionate new beginnings. You are very passionate about seeing some new beginnings. Ace of Wands and Ten of Cups, wish fulfillment. You are very happy. And the Magician, right now you are in some magician energy. You are manifesting something in your life right now. You are doing manifesting process, whatever. Yeah, wow, very positive start. There is no negative to say anything. Let's see some more. Energy could be vice versa. Two of Swords, Six of Cups, the Devil. I think Six of Cups, Two of Swords and the Devil. One person in this connection is obsessed with the other person. It could be you or your person. And Two of Swords, yeah, one person has to make decision regarding a reconciliation. I am getting some new start. I think for some it is for reconciliation. Maybe your person have options. They have to make decision. They have to make decision. They are obsessed with you. And the Devil energy. Yeah, one person is at some crossroads. It could be you or your person. Six of Cups. You both have strong soulmate and past life connections with each other. Six of Wands. Wow. Nine of Swords and Judgment. Yeah, one person wants success in this connection, but one person in this connection right now in anxiety, depression. They are thinking about the other person a lot. They are not sleeping at night times. They are thinking like that. And Judgment. Yeah, some major decisions you are going to be take, or your person are going to be take. Judgment. Yeah, it could be any decision maybe, but very major decision and very important decision also. Six of Wands and the Ten of Cups. I think you are okay what you are doing right now, Aquarius. I'm getting, I think it's your person right now has to make some decision, and your person energy it could be. Let's see some more. The Tower, Queen of Wands, Justice, and yeah, your person wants second chance, or you want second chance with your person. Energy could be vice versa. Definitely that Tower moment, for some there is separation. That's why one person in this connection is in anxiety, depression. And Queen of Wands, but one person stand by their power. They are they stand by their power, and they are very attractive, and they are also passionate about this connection. But one person asking second chance in this connection to another person. It could be you or your person. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. Then we will get clarity who this person is. So let's see your person current feelings towards you first. Eight of Wands. The Lovers. Two cards, but I am not take. Oh, yeah, your person is very passionate about you, and I think, but they want second chance. I think it's your person wants second chance, because they, yeah, Queen of Wands and King of Wands. I think you both are passionate about each other, but your person is passionate about you. The Lovers, yeah, you both have some intimities. You both love each other. They want to communicate you. They're thinking to communicate you. Eight of Wands, you will receive some communication from your person, and there will be back and forth communication between both of you. Yeah, they are very passionate about you. They are very attracted to you. Aquarius. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Knight of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, they are coming back to you, but it is very, very slow moving energy. Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, they also invested in this connection, but not as much as you. Yeah, they also want to see the result and they want to take this relationship to next level. They also want, and that's why they want second chance to prove them again to you, to prove themselves again to you. Yeah, they want second chance. After the Tower moment, for some there is separation between both of you. After the separation, you feel your person realizes strong emotions for you. That's why they want to communicate you. They want to express their feelings to you. And yeah, they have strong emotions. They are coming back to you, but it is very slow moving energy. So let's pull some cards from universe regarding the connection, where it is headed in near future. Four of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, Five of Cups, Knight of Wands. Yeah, there is a lot of passion in this connection. There is no doubt about it. You both are passionate about each other, but there is separation. I think one of the reasons for separation is Four of Pentacles. I think one person is not expressing the feelings to other person, even though they have feelings for them. And Seven of Cups. Yeah, one person have maybe options, and one person may be in some confusion state. Definitely, that's why I think in near future the connection is not going anywhere, I'm seeing, because Four of Pentacles. But one person trying very hard for second chance. I think it could be your person trying hardly to get second chance from you. It's up to you to give second chance or not, Aquarius, depending upon your situation. If it is not third party, it is okay. But one person holding back their feelings, Four of Pentacles and Seven of Cups. Yeah, they are in state of confusion. I think you both are in some confusion, but you both are passionate about each other, but your person wants second chance. If you want to give second chance, it's up to you, Aquarius. So let's say, Aquarius, your overall energy for the week. And yeah, your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, a lot of water energy, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth energy, Aries, Leo, Sag, fire energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air energy. It could be any sign, but a lot of water energy and earth energy is here. So let's see your overall energy for the week. The Death, Knight of Pentacles and Four of Wands. Yeah, you also want a reconciliation with your person, but you are undergoing some transformation also, Aquarius. Definitely some changes are coming in your life. And a Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, you are also in some slow moving energy. Your person also in slow moving energy, and you also. Knight of Pentacles, the Death and Four of Wands. Yeah, you also want reconciliation. But you are both feeling sad for the separation, but you both have having hard time to express their feelings because there is some confusion whatever is happening between both of you. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Wheel of Fortune, Five of Swords and Five of Wands. Yeah, there are some disagreements between both of you, some disturbances, some fighting, some drama is already happened between both of you, but things are changing in your person's energy. Definitely your person energy is going to be changed. Yeah, I think your person having hard time to express their feelings to you. They are not expressing their feelings even though they have feelings for you. Yes, but Eight of Wands, they want to communicate you. They want to come towards you because they are very, very passionate about you. They want second chance to prove themselves again. So it's up to you, Aquarius, to give second chance to your person or not. But they are very serious this time, I'm getting, because justice and judgment, you have to make decision. Definitely they want second chance. It's a decision time also, Aquarius. But things are turning in your person favor, I am getting, because Wheel of Fortune is here. In connection cards, Four of Pentacles and Seven of Cups and Knight of Wands. Lot of passion and Five of Cups, separation. So it's up to you at end of the day, Aquarius, to give second chance or not. So this is the reading for you, Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support my guys and click the bell icon. You will get all my video notifications. Bye. Thank you so much for the support.